yan. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko lang siya mag-gets kasi yun na nga, opposite kami
Is that
dalawa.
the right term o ano ibigay mo kay Rona? I don't think so.
Because I think she's just so good. That's the
Kaya
reason.
naging plastic siya?
Hindi siya I don't
Ano
know.
ang term mo, plastic?
Yeah, plastic. Kasi parang feeling ko, she's so soft, parang she's so delicate na hindi ko alam kung ano bang mali sa kanya. Parang wala siyang mali parati. So yun, nasabi ko plastic siya. Pero pasensya na po.
Naging plastic ka ba talaga sa akin? O naging sunod-sunuran ka lang sa ibang girls? Lalo nung sinabi nilang one for all for one.
I admit, naging sunod-sunuran lang ako.
Eh, pagtalikod ko pala, ang dami niyong sinasabi against sa akin.
Ako, dumikit ako sa'yo kasi parang nahanga ako sa buhay mo.
Kung humanga ka, bakit ang dami mong mga pinagsasabi or ang dami niyong
Kasi
pinagsasabi?
nagalit ako kasi pag sabi mo na nagplastika lang ako sa loob. Yung nasa sala tayo na don't judge ko na.
So, ano naman ang nakuha mo nung nangyari yun?
Wala. Ang kalaking kahihiyan. Nakuha namin violation. Karma.
So, sa tingin mo ba deserve mo lahat nung nakuha mo?
Yes.
Nakikinig ako sa iyo from the very moment you sat there. And you are very inconsistent with your answers. Sabi mo, nagpapakatotoo ka. But, from the very beginning until now, inadmit mo lahat ng kasalanan mo. In other words, inadmit mo na hindi ka naging totoo. Ibig sabihin, hindi nga talaga ka nagpapakatotoo.
Minsan, hindi. Sino naman. But, most of the time, I was real. Hindi ako naging totoo kasi natakot ako na may kalaban sa loob ng bahay.
Sabi mo, I was like too good to be true. Kaya, pinatangan mo akong plastic. Sa tingin mo, marami kang mga kabataang may inspire sa lahat ng ginawa mo.
You know what? From the very start, I asked myself, why did I join? I really don't feel that I have I'm not someone to look up.
I have a simple question. Were you happy that I was evicted?
Yeah, but not totally. I was happy because now I was alone to represent Dumaguete. So why should I tell that? That's what in my mind. That's what in my heart.
May katanungan sa'yo dyan. Beauty, I think you're an OA.
Yeah,
You overreact all the time.
I know.
You're a bad kid in the house.
I know.
But that's the way I am, and I admire that. I watch the show because of you. Okay? I have no question. This is all I want to say.
Thank you. Alam niyo na kung gaano kahirap para sa akin. Alam niyo lang kung gaano kahirap magtira doon na wala lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay mo. Alam ko naging okay ako, pero ito ako, so I don't give a damn to those people who doesn't love me for who I am. I know I've made mistakes and I'm really sorry. But whatever comes, I'll accept it because I know everything has a reason. I'm sorry.
Anong gagawin mo pag nalaman mo na may iba na si Valerie sa labas?